Each Power My Analytics connector has its own set of fields of data that are available for you to use. That's called the schema, and every connector's schema is unique. A schema is simply the full list of fields and tables, and PMA only pulls the fields that can be used in marketing reports. Tables are groups of fields that can be used together. Only fields that are in the same table can be used in the same chart. In the Schema Explorer, you can pick a field to filter out anything that doesn't work with it. It's a good way to see what your reports can make. The PMA Schema Explorer can also be used to troubleshoot mix and match errors in your reports. A mix and match error will occur when you try to use fields from two different tables. To use a metric with a dimension, they have to share a table. Pairing a metric from a dimension from another table will cause a mix and match error in your report. Our Schema Explorer shows you which metrics and dimensions share a table and can be used together. You can also use it to search for fields you might want to use in a chart. And the Schema Explorer will find other fields that you can use with it. First, get started in your hub at hub.powermyanalytics.com. And on the left sidebar, scroll down to Tools and click Schema Explorer. Click on the connector dropdown and choose a connector to view its fields. In this example, we're going to be using Facebook ads. If the connector has more than one language available, select a language. Now you can look for the fields that you want to use. In the field search, you can type in any keyword to find fields with that keyword in their name, label, or description. You can also leave it blank to see all the fields for a connector. You can also filter the fields to show only metrics or dimensions. And you can select from live or lifetime metric types. Live fields provide data directly pulled from the connector in real time. This is the data PMA doesn't warehouse. Lifetime means that this field only shows overall values for all time, meaning that it can't be measured by a unit of time. The table menu lets you select one of the connector's tables, and each table contains a set of metrics and dimensions that are ready to be used together. Try choosing the tables that will match the kind of report you're making, like a report on your Facebook ad campaigns, and you can see everything that's available in that table at a glance. You can see how many fields are displayed under Fields Matching Filters. To see the dimensions that are compatible with a metric or vice versa, find the first field you want in your filtered results. Then select it with the checkbox to the left of the field, and this field will now appear in Field Selected. The Schema Explorer will now hide any fields that aren't compatible with the one you selected. You can now see how many fields are still available under the fields compatible with selected fields. And you can still select or deselect any number of fields in any combination. And instantly you can see the data you can use. You can refine the search however you like and find any more available fields. The Schema Explorer is your canvas to get creative with your data and see everything you can add to a report. The combinations are endless, and our customers are finding innovative ways to present the reports all the time. If you have any questions about our connectors and all the data you can use, just go to support.powermyanalytics.com. See you next time.